Welcome back to Hard Knot Garage. Thought I'd do a longer form video again for this one. Making a vinyl roof for a Maisto charger. Very similar to the one I did earlier, but this one's a bit more ripped up. Just thought I'd do a slightly longer format one to show how I do mine. So the actual vinyl is going to be this masking tape. There's no particular brand, just white masking tape. Alright, now the side parts, actually I'll tidy that up for a sharp blade to work with. Alright, so you can do it, last time I actually did the sides first and then laid this part over, but I thought this time I'll put the middle down and then put the sides on. Might actually be a little bit easier. So I'm just going to cut the front bit off. There we go. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Trying to do something a little simple at the moment because I'm just getting off COVID for the first time, so still not feeling 100%. Alright, so that's your middle bit. You can smooth it out a bit if you want, and then do the sides. This tape's, how wide is this tape? What's that, 5 inches? Sorry, almost 5 centimeters, so a little under 2.5 inches, 2 inches. Okay, now I'm just gonna eyeball this to get a little bit of an overlap. That'll do. And then I'm just gonna press it down without trying to get creases in it. There you go. So I'll cut the sides off. Now on the back it actually does, I think, curve back in a bit under there. I need to actually check out a charger up close, but that's what I think it does. And you can potentially get even more textured tape, but this looks pretty good. Oops. And did I cut? Oh, I wrapped it right around, okay. So there we go, there's the other side. Okay, see, there you go, that's basically it. I mean, you can always smooth it out a bit more. Possibly could have got the overlaps a little tidier, but this is going to be on a rough car anyway. So then you can see it with the other one. So next part is to paint it. Okay, so for this I'm just using a bit of Model Air paint. I don't particularly want a glossy finish. This usually comes out as sort of a bit of a matte. So nothing fancy. Just pop it on. Okay, so now basically you just leave that to dry and it should come out. It looks a little textured, I guess, from the paint, but some of that's actually the masking tape. You can see that almost sort of alligator pattern on it, which is quite nice. So I'm just going to leave that to dry and then show you what it looks like. So you can see this is a dry. I probably could have put a little bit more on, more paint on, just to make it a little bit darker. There's a few little light streaks in there, but generally I'm pretty happy with that. It's going to be a bit dusty and weathered anyway. So there you go, how to make a vinyl top.